Small engine resurrection. How you guys doing today? Just want to show you a little something I picked up yesterday off of Facebook Marketplace. It was a nice old Ford truck. It's been running good. But this was listed for $75. I talked to the lady. She's like, I just want you to know it don't run. I'm selling for parts. It ran last year. A belt came off of it. She was moving to Virginia and it had to go. Offered $50. She said come get it. It was 2 streets over from me. So this is what it is. Another mower. It's the 3rd mower I've got in the last week. So actually I've never had a white outdoor mower before. I've heard of them. It does have the Briggs & Stratton Industrial Plus in it. So this thing here was listed for $75. Selling for parts. She said it ran great last year. The belt came off of it. She's moving it, had to go. She took $50. Really awesome lady. I mean, she's just awesome. She helped me move the stuff by her back gate. Let me drive all the way up to it. She said it's too heavy for us to move it out there. She helped me picked it up and put it in the truck and everything. I mean, just an awesome person. She said, how are we gonna load it if you didn't bring ramps? I said, well, I'm just gonna pick it up. This is how I do it, guys. If you guys ever going to get a riding mower and ain't got no help, so say this is the mower sitting here, it's on the ground. Get in the front of it, underneath somewhere. I usually try to grab under the this hardened steel on each side if I can. Pick the mower straight up and let it sit on the back tires and the rear fender part. Most of them will stand straight up. If not, just grab like a piece of bar or heavy duty stick or anything just to help prop it up. And then I'll back right up to it, the tailgate down. I'll get about 6 inches away from it. Let it drop down on the tailgate. The most of it will be there. Just pick the ass end of it up, slide it right in. This mower was pretty heavy. I would say it's a late 90s, early 2000s. I'm not sure. But I'll tell you what, this is when things were built right. And it's really in great shape. I mean, just look at it. Look at the deck. Just look how everything's built. Look how sturdy that stuff is. There's the belt there. You can see it's off. It's really in great shape. The battery is dead on it. All the tires are flat, so we're gonna try to put some air in the tires and grab the jump box. See if she'll start. It does have gas in it already. You guys can see that. There's the engine. Got a yapping dog over there. I did check the spark plug. Make sure of that. The way my luck's been going lately. So yeah, let's grab the jump box and see if she'll fire up first. We're not even going to try no starting fluid. We're just going to see if it'll start up on its own. It's a white outdoor LT15 Cruise-Matic. Not sure what Cruise-Matic means, but it sounds cool. And then once it runs, if it does, we'll see if the tires will hold air or throw some slime in them. I was at Tractor Supply last week or so. I don't know if I put a video or not, but they had rear rim and tire assemblies, regular 120 bucks, on sale for 30 bucks a piece. Rear tires, the nice ones, the cordless 20 by 8 by 8. I sold 2 of them already, and a guy's coming tomorrow to buy the other 2. I made 45 bucks each tire off of them. There were 6, I bought 4 of them. I'm gonna go back and see if the other 2 still there. If they are, I'm gonna grab them and probably put them on my mower. That's what I was gonna do with the 2 I got left, but let's go ahead and sell them. My tires are still good on there. My tires are in great shape, really. But enough talking, there's the mower. I'll be back. We'll see if she'll fire. Alright guys, we got the jumper box out here. This thing's old. She's old and rusty, but trusty. It's a bad motherfucker. We got our positive hooked up. That had old Duralast battery in it. Took our negative up. Okay, come down here. I always hook it all up, guys. Make sure it's off first, hook it up, then plug it in. So that way, if it ain't on, you plug it in and you got them sitting or something, and that'd be bad. So here's the timer minutes. Put it on hold. Let's put it on 12-volt boost. Okay, don't see no smoke or nothing. Ugh. Safety is hooked up, so we might have to let the battery charge. I don't know. So got the brake down. Choke. Let's see. Does that do anything? I don't know if that's doing anything down there or not, but okay. There's the throttle. Let's just hit the key and see if let's see if the lights come on. On and off switch for the lights. It should light up. Maybe the keys gotta be turned. No lights, okay. Well, let's see if she'll turn over. Woo! There you have it, guys. She'll idle all the way down. Now let's try the lights. Coming on. Guys, she fired right up. It won't idle all the way down, so carburetor probably needs clean, but it's fine. One of the lights came on, the other one wouldn't, and then that light went out. So I don't know if they're just loose wiring or if it blew or what's going on, but we'll check into that. Lights ain't a big deal. She fired right up, guys, like she's like, you know, I knew there wasn't nothing wrong with it. She just used it last year. That's awesome. So 50 bucks, had to gamble. I was gonna buy it regardless anyway. For 50 bucks, if it don't run, just for that deck to put on one of the mowers over there that we got running. Cause the one that runs don't have a deck. So this makes number 3. One's locked up. So I'm gonna take the deck on the one that's locked up from the other one. I'm gonna throw this belt on here, Try to throw some air in the tires. And let's take this thing for a ride. Let me go get the compressor. I'll be back. Alright guys, we got the compressor going. Let it build some pressure. I'm thinking these tires should air right up and be fine. Just been sitting, like she said, since last year, so I'm sure this went flat. They're all on the bead. Go ahead and take the caps off. I don't see why and they look like they're in pretty good shape. I don't see no dry rot or any reasons why they wouldn't hold air. That one's on the inside. I don't like when they're on the inside, but there it is right there. That was a lucky get. Cap off. Put it with the back one. $50, guys. You just gotta take a gamble sometimes on things, you know. Especially you can look at something and read it and read the people if they're being legit or not most of the time. But again, she was moving, and that's why she wanted it gone. She's going to West Virginia, couldn't take it with her. I got this one, but the tie rod's in the way. See if I can spin it, maybe. Oh, there we go, a little bit. Come on, baby. I'm gonna have to get up in there to get that one. Oh. Well, I think I turned it too far. I just spin this tire around because I'm not going to reach that in there. Let's see. Hard to do one hand here. There we go. A little more. I'll back a little more. There we go. Turn out this way. There we go. Now we can get it. Looks like it had a little oil leak or something. Down there you can see. Check the oil. I guess I should have did that before we started it. Oh, there's oil in it. Probably needs a little bit. Yeah, it needs a little bit. That's a small tank compared to my other mowers. Let's see what the filter's looking like. Hope you guys can hear me. Sorry about the compressor noise. She ain't bad. Got the same style of filters my dad's Craftsman does, and these filters, this filter, the one on his mower, I had trouble. I was trying to find one for his mower, and I only found them a couple of places. Yeah, it looks good. Get the free filter on it. I'll just rip a little bit of it. She'll be fine. She'll be fine like aged wine. What do you guys think about the $50 mower? What I think is that bulb over there is probably loose, or it blew. And this one might have just blew or it's loose. Let's see. No, that one's intact. And let's see if we can pull this one out here. Oh, the whole thing's spinning. I ain't gonna be able to do it with one hand. Okay. Oh, you know what? I bet it's loose ground, loose. This is spinning and moving. That's probably got loose contact. Yeah, I mean, look how sturdy and heavy duty that deck is. I mean, just how many bends and stuff it got to. That's a strong, strong deck right there. We'll have to clean all this stuff out. Put that belt back on. I don't know if it's the drive belt or if it's the deck belt that came off. I mean, look how nice the foregrip is. This is a nice mower, guys. I'm not gonna lie. My dad bought a new Craftsman from, I think, Sears, probably 4 or 5 years ago. And man, that thing, you can definitely tell the difference in new stuff and old stuff. The whole body is just the thinnest. It's like can aluminum thin. It's just so much flex and it's just junk. It really is. He loves Craftsman stuff. Yeah, the old Craftsmans are fine, like the ones I got over there. That new stuff's just junk. It's thin, it's junk. I'll be on here. We can go ahead and see. Gotta get a new hose and thing. It's leaking, but let's try it. Went right up. One for 4. Let's see if we can get that to spin a little more to go down here. Yep, she took air. You know, the front ones don't need much at all. Just tap the front ones, you know, air up. And there it went. Okay, oh, that one. Get back in and do that one. There's the back two. We're 3 for 4. See if we can be 4 for 4. Like old Wendy's 4 for 4 bag. Let's turn the wheel back this way. Let's see if we can get old Wendy's 4 for 4. That's going to be spun. I don't know about this one here. Let's see. Put the lid out of the way. I might turn that one a little more. I need to go frontwards. There we go. Come on. I don't want to break that. I had a better camera set up. I had to hold everything. There we go. Okay. Well, hopefully don't go flat. Go back down. Should I like a rocket? It's in here leaking. get over somewhere so we can listen for leaks here. Cap's back on. Put the caps back on, bring you guys back. Alrighty guys, so let's plug this back in. Tires are holding for now. I don't hear anything. We'll get it started up, see if it'll move. Like I said, let's see. No, looks like the, well, I'd go there and look. I don't know if it's the drive belt off or the deck belt, but I don't want to get on there and try to move it and then something get twisted and bound up down there, do more damage under there. Tires aired up, fired up, battery's charging. Let me look at this belt, see if we can't get some boards down there and drive this thing off, take it for a ride. They was just loose, they wasn't grounding out. But the either the belt or the spring or something broke on this. When you move it, it don't do nothing. That's what it's talking about. So this is the drive belt or something to engage that. So for now it runs. Everything works except for I got to figure out. It could be the spring or the cable that goes to this or the belt or something. Because look. Like, ain't no tension really, unless you're putting it in park back there. So we'll have to get down there and see what's going on with it, guys. 50 bucks, it's awesome. So I don't know if I'll be able to fix it right now. It was supposed to be nice all week, but of course it's going to rain today and tomorrow pretty bad. So we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Small Engine Resurrection. Give me a like, thumbs up, thumbs down, share, comment. $50 mower. Remember, progress is progress. Progress is being made. Get out there and get it, guys. Have a blessed day. Hey guys, so I got it off the truck by myself. That was a hassle. I tried to use these boards here and put them up there, and I put like 5 bricks in front of them so it wouldn't slide back. I got it about a quarter way down, and then the deck was hitting the boards and pushing it back, so I just lifted it off there, put the ass in on the ground, and grabbed the front, rolled it off there. Got it started. Let the battery charge up. I already took it for a ride. It is not the drive belt that's messed up, it is the deck belt. It's just been sitting for a while and tried to get it rolling and everything loosened up. I'll tell you what, in the reverse, this thing goes about 20 mile an hour on 8 speed. And forward, it goes about 10 to 15. Pretty fast mower, just like my Poland. That Poland Pro is the fastest mower I ever had. And now, I would like to race them. If I can find somebody, maybe get my nephew to come up here or somebody and race them. But this thing is going for sale. I either got this one sold or that other one sold that we got running. I got to put the deck on it. My dad's buying one, so I might give him one for $200. Whichever one he wanted. Yeah, the tires are holding up, and took it for a ride. The lights are working now, I think, both of them. This one's loose again. There we go. Got good compression coming out of the muffler. I'm gonna run some of that stuff through it. Try to clean the carburetor and everything up. It'll idle about right there, but I did try to engage the blades and it just started smoking. So either I'm thinking the pulley is probably seized. That's probably what it is. Just from sitting. Nothing big though. Let's go for a ride, guys. thing's fast. Gotta turn it down a little bit. Put it forward. We'll take it out here and I'll show you how fast it is. Hey Noah, check how fast this mower is, dude. It goes about 20 in reverse, 10, 15 in forward. This motherfucker's fast. I got it all the way in 8. I got it forward. I'm gonna do a side view so you can see how fast it is. Look how fast this motherfucker is in reverse. Motherfucker's getting it, son. I don't know, this is probably faster than my Poland. I'd like to race them. $50 mower.